Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 classic design trends and decor elements that are never going out of style. If you're trying to achieve that timeless look in your home, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, let's start with an easy and affordable decor piece that everyone can style in their home. And that's a statement floral arrangement. You can style florals and foliage in every room of your home and it will bring color, life, impact, and a really interesting design element to every space. Floral arrangements have been around forever. They've always been that key decor piece in every space, and they will be forever. So if you're lacking decor around your home, if you're struggling with how to incorporate color and scale and just some interest, sometimes all you need is a statement floral arrangement. So it is definitely my go-to thing when I'm struggling to fill space in my home. You can add height to a coffee table, you can add height and interest and really cool shape to any kind of surface of your home with a beautiful floral arrangement. You'll notice them in every magazine shoot, no matter what year it is, and they are something super easy that you can incorporate and kind of switch up over time. If you have a great vase or vessel, that is something that you can keep forever and just constantly switch out the florals. I love switching florals and greenery around for the holidays to really give off a seasonal touch. You can head outside to your yard to collect some fresh greenery and florals. You can have artificial flowers that last forever. They are just something that everyone should have in their home. They really are that timeless decor piece that sometimes is forgotten about because it's so simple. So add that decor element into your space and you will have a timeless decor piece forever. Now, some of your soft furnishings around your home might go out of style quite quickly if they have a pattern on them. There are some patterns in design that come and go with the trends and can date your home very quickly. But there are also some classic patterns that you should include in your home that will last a lifetime. I mentioned in a previous video that stripes is one of those classic patterns that you can have forever. So if you have stripes around your home in throw pillows, maybe a furniture piece, rugs, bedding, that will stand the test of time. You can have those pieces forever and it will continue to integrate into your design style. Another classic timeless pattern is plaid and tartan. If you are someone that really loves that traditional look, that cozy feeling, you might really love to incorporate plaid into your home. It is something that we've seen time and time again in the past and we will continue to see it in the future because that is that classic pattern. We're actually seeing a lot more of plaid in design right now, but that's just because that traditional style is very trendy, but it's also timeless. So it can be both. Plaid is such a bold pattern, but it's also very easy to work with because there's so many different colors in plaid patterns where you can tie in multiple colors around your home. It's also very easy to pair with because it pairs very well with stripes, with solids, with florals and geometric. So it definitely is that classic pattern that just works well with all decor. It really gives off a sense of coziness and sophistication and again, that timeless look. I love the look of plaid in wallpaper because it's so bold and wallpaper is something you have to commit to. So if you're trying to pick a pattern that's going to be timeless, plaid is a great option. It can create a really moody feeling. It can create a really cheerful feeling. So there's so many different options out there. So if you really love that sophisticated, timeless look in your home, definitely incorporate some plaid and you won't regret it. Now, if you're trying to create that timeless look and feel in your home, think about all the details that you come in contact with every day around your home. Are they dating your space? Are they making it feel timeless and fresh? There's something about towels that always comes to mind because sometimes colored or patterned towels can quickly date your home. They can become faded, the pattern can become dated, but fresh white towels will always be timeless. Including them in your bathroom, styling them in your guest bedrooms. You can include white towels everywhere for that timeless classic look. We're actually hosting for the holidays this year, so I picked up a bunch of new towels that are fresh and absorbent and white on Walmart. They're the signature soft towels for all of our guests so that we could have have that fresh experience around our home. I got bath sheets, bath towels, hand towels, and face towels, and I actually ended up opting for a dark gray face towel. Going for a darker finish when it comes to specifically face towels is the way to go, but for all other towels, the fresh white look looks incredible. So as we get ready to host for the holidays, this was the perfect time to order some new towels. I just shop on the Walmart app, and it makes it so easy to just shop from home and have everything delivered straight to your door super quickly. If you guys are also preparing for the holidays, if you're looking for some gift ideas or you're prepping your home for guests, you can find everything on Walmart. Tech, home, beauty, fashion, so many incredible finds on Walmart right now, so definitely check it out. I also got the Ninja Creamy because my husband has been wanting that for the holidays. Let me know down below in the comments if you also have a Ninja Creamy. We are looking for some good recipes for the holidays. I have found so many online, but I'm so excited to try it out. We also got the beautiful waffle maker, which is so gorgeous. I have so many of the beautiful small appliances around my kitchen, so this is just adding to the collection, and a waffle maker is the perfect thing when hosting for the holidays, so we can make a really exciting breakfast for our family. If you guys are looking for good gift ideas, if you're looking for tech, home, beauty, appliances, they really do have it all, and it's so easy to shop from the comfort of your own home. I'll have all of the items I found on Walmart linked down below in the description box so you guys can shop as well. Now, if you're planning a renovation, one design element that will really give you this big impact moment, but also give you a classic timeless look, will be arches. Arches are absolutely timeless. We've seen them throughout history, they're on trend now, and they're definitely gonna be sticking around for years and years. So if you wanna incorporate some interest in your home, incorporate some archways. You can arch out your existing doorways, you can widen out a space and incorporate arches. You can think about incorporating arches in coffee nooks, little reading nook, built-ins, windows, and doors. You can incorporate arches in many ways, and it always gives off a soft, beautiful, and custom feeling around your home. Arches fit pretty much every design style, so you can really work them into any home and make them work. You can add a ton of trim work that really makes your arches feel traditional. You can keep them really sleek and bare for more of a modern look. This is going to be something you think about when you're planning out your space for a renovation. If you're planning any changes to doors, windows, built-ins, think about incorporating this shape, and I don't think you'll regret it. Now, I think some homes start to look dated and not so timeless because you can tie all of the furniture and decor back to a certain time period, and that home now looks like it's stuck in a certain time period. I think to create that classic timeless look, an easy way to do that is actually to mix old and new. If you're mixing old furniture with new furniture and new decor with old decor and thrifting pieces, antiquing pieces, and buying furniture also brand new, it's very hard to decipher what date and what year that was all created. So it gives you this timeless look. This will allow you to create that contemporary feel with some new items while also bringing in some character and timelessness of the past. I think the easiest way to incorporate this look is to mix in small thrifted or antiqued decor pieces and mix that in with your brand new furniture pieces. Now, when it comes to window treatments, the goal is always to pick something that's going to be timeless and classic, because there's a ton of window treatments out there that really date a home. So the one classic design element that you can incorporate into your window treatments are just pinch pleat curtains. Simple, classic pinch pleat curtains. These will never go out of style. It's the best way to hang your curtains to really create that textured look. They really create a lot of movement in your home. I love getting pre-pleated curtains so that everything is even and already marked out. But if you don't have pre-pleated curtains and you really want to achieve this timeless look, with the curtains that you already have, you can get pleat hooks that you can just put right into your curtains to create those folds and create those pleats in your existing curtains. That way your curtains hang timelessly and beautifully and give you that classic look. Again, a ton of fabric ends up going out of style because of color and patterns, so if you stick with that crisp, clean look, you're gonna have that timeless effect. Now, when it comes to furniture, real wood furniture is always going to be timeless, and this is the type of stuff that you can find brand new, or you can also thrift or antique. You can really sand those items down. You can refinish them. They give you the flexibility to incorporate design trends over time, but they're also going to be that good quality piece that you have long term. So think about using solid wood, real wood pieces around your home to get that timeless, beautiful effect. Good solid wood pieces are always being donated, so they are definitely easy to find. I think people give them away because maybe the color of the wood becomes dated in their home, but again, they can be refinished and they're super flexible to work with. So if you can find a good piece that goes with your home, definitely snag it. Now, when you're incorporating those solid real wood pieces around your home or any other furniture, think about the furniture lines. I think keeping furniture lines very simple and sleek and classic will give you the most timeless look. I think when furniture starts to become very ornate and very detailed and there's a lot going on, it can definitely date quickly. So when you're thinking about shopping for pretty much any furniture piece around your home, sofas, side chairs, beds, dressers, think about strategically choosing items that have simple lines. Simple lines really give you this timeless look, whether it be a simple swoop of the arm or a straight edge or a shaker front. That simplicity will really last a lifetime. And again, you can't date it back to a certain time period because those simple lines have been around forever. Of course, it's okay to incorporate those special ornate pieces in small ways around your home, but if you have a lot of it filling your space, you're going to really notice a dated effect. So go with simple lines when it comes to picking all of your furniture. Now, if you're working on any renovations, you're probably choosing a ton of materials and finishes right now. So one rule when it comes to picking any material or finish for around your home is to go with a natural material. All natural materials will be timeless, whether that be a jute rug as opposed to a synthetic rug. The jute rug will stand the test of time. Same thing goes with real wood and stone. Choosing a stone like marble, soapstone, travertine, that will really give you this classic timeless look. Those materials will never go out of style, and you can continuously change around the look of your home while incorporating those solid materials. Linen for upholstery, again, is a timeless material that will always work in your home. When you're choosing materials for all around your home, try and keep them as real as possible for the most timeless look. Lastly, one of the best things you can do to really create a timeless look around your home is to let the location and the architecture of your home dictate the style. If you have a colonial home and you're decorating it in a trendy boho way, it is just instantly not going to feel timeless. Your space will feel timeless if you follow the style of your home. If you have a Spanish home, really integrate that style into your home. All these different style homes are built in a different way, and they're built for a certain style. So when you kind of go off of that, it just starts to throw the entire space, and it can look dated very quickly. So really maintain the style of your home in its original form. Now I'm curious, what style home do you live in? Are you in a colonial home? Are you in a farmhouse? Are you in a Spanish home? Are you in a modern home? Are you in a log cabin? Let me know down below. All right, so that's it for some of my design trends that are never going out of style. If you want to achieve that timeless look in your home and you're looking for even more design ideas, I will leave a few of the videos that I made on this topic down below in the description box. You guys can check those out as well. But if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!